Welcome to PAM Distributing. This month, we're excited to spotlight one of the most trusted names in global surveillance technology, VIVOTEK, a brand known for reliability, innovation, and security that performs when it matters most. For over 2 decades, VIVOTEK has led the way in intelligent video solutions, from advanced network cameras to seamless video management systems. Every product is built with precision engineering and real-world performance in mind. Whether it's day or night, indoors or outdoors, VIVOTEK cameras deliver exceptional clarity. With technologies like Smart IR, WDR, and high-resolution imaging, you get video you can trust and detail when you need it. But that's not all. With VIVOTEK's AI-powered cloud platform, Vortex AI, surveillance becomes smarter, faster, and far more efficient. Vortex AI combines edge-based video analytics with cloud management, which means real-time detection and powerful post-event tools. It can automatically detect people, vehicles, objects, loitering, line crossings, and suspicious behavior. Lost time scrolling through hours of footage? Not with Vortex. With Think Search, you type what you're looking for, like person wearing hoodie or vehicle parked after hours, and Vortex searches across all cameras and footage to find it instantly. It's as easy as searching the way you think. When an alert triggers, maybe a loitering person, a license plate, or unauthorized entry, Vortex sends instant notifications. Security teams can quickly view snapshots, track movement paths, jump to relevant footage, or pull full reports in seconds. Perfect for faster investigations, smarter responses, and better documentation. And the best part? It's all managed from a unified cloud platform. Whether you're managing one site or hundreds, retail stores, warehouses, campuses, or offices, Vortex scales effortlessly. Remote access, seamless updates, and cybersecurity compliance make it enterprise-ready. With VIVOTEK cameras plus Vortex AI, your customers get more than cameras. They get intelligent surveillance that saves time, reduces false alarms, and delivers actionable insights. For installers and integrators, it's a simplified, scalable solution. Minimal setup, no need for extensive on-site infrastructure. Just connect cameras, link to Vortex, and benefit from cloud-based management, automatic updates, and hybrid cloud flexibility. This month, we're proud to feature VIVOTEK with the power of Vortex AI. Smarter security, faster insights, scalable solutions. Elevate your next installation with technology built for the real world.